In this video, you will learn on how to subtract integers with all possible problems. Let's start with case 1. Subtracting two positive integers. Here's the problem, 8 minus 2. We can easily subtract this mentally, the answer is 6. But to grasp the idea, let's look on how it works in the number line. Let's start with 8, and we move 2 to the left because it is subtraction. And we are correct, answer is 6. Let's have another problem. 5 minus 8. In the number line we start with 5. And we move 8 to the left. And we got negative 3. Case 2, first integer is negative. Let's have this problem. Negative 4 minus 8. There's a trick in solving this problem. First we add the two integer, then put negative sign in the result. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Then we put the negative sign, so answer is negative 12. But to be sure, let's solve this at the number line. We start with negative 4, then move 8 to the left, and we got negative 12. Here is another problem. Negative 6 minus 5, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11, then we put negative sign. Case 3. Second integer is negative. Let's have this problem. 5 minus negative 3. To solve this, we just copy the two number and make two negative sign into addition. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Another problem. 6 minus negative 2. We make this into 6 plus 2. And the answer is 8. Let's have the last case, case 4. Subtracting two negative integers. Negative 3 minus negative 7. To solve this, let's copy negative 3, then negative times negative is equal to positive. So we got plus sign. Copy the 7. Now we have addition. I made a video about adding integers, link in the description below. Let's look at the number line to solve this addition problem. We start at negative 3, then move 7 to the right. And we got 4. Let's have another problem. Negative 6 minus negative 7. We copy a negative 6, negative times negative is equal to positive. I have a video on multiplying integers, link in the description below. Let's copy 7. There's a shortcut on this using commutative property of equality. I have a video on that, link in the description below. Using commutative property, negative 6 plus negative 7 will become 7 minus 6. And 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Now you learn about subtracting two positive integers, subtracting when first integer is negative, subtracting when second integer is negative, subtracting two negative integers.